Do not talk. Listen. What did you hear? There is a squeaking sound when the wiper is working. In such cases, never go to the repair shop impulsively, because it is very likely that all the wipers on your car will need to be replaced. Today, I will tell you a way to solve this problem without spending a penny. First, take off this wiper blade. Extremely simple. Look, there's a button here. We just press the button. You can remove the wiper blade. At this time, you should pay attention. We gently put the wiper lever on the windshield. Check the wiper lever. You will find that it does not fit perfectly with the windshield and is even a little deformed. Look, this side fits perfectly. The gap on this side is very large. This is the reason why the wiper cannot wipe cleanly and makes a squeaking noise. It is not difficult to solve this problem. We just need to correct it with a screwdriver. Okay, I have installed the wiper blades. We can now go back to the car and test whether there is still a squeaking sound. Guys, if the abnormal sound disappears, can you give me a like? The abnormal noise really disappeared.